a close ally of President-elect Donald Trump.
Donald Trump is unstoppable.
Former Republican Representative Matt Gaetz is in the spotlight again, this time as the nominee to serve as the nation's top law enforcement official, the Attorney General of the United States. And while some of his colleagues praise him,
he is street smart, he's got the legal background, he is not scared of taking a risk. What he's done in the House has been phenomenal.
Gaetz is being investigated by the House Ethics Committee for various criminal allegations. Gaetz has denied those claims, but many lawmakers remain concerned about his fitness to lead the Department of Justice.
Congressman Gaetz, who I do not know personally, certainly has a reputation as a fierce advocate for President Trump, but also has been the subject of credible allegations of significant severe misconduct.
A four-term congressman and member of the House Armed Services Committee, Gaetz challenged the leadership of then Speaker of the U.S. House of Representatives, Kevin McCarthy, over what he considered excessive government spending.
Real chaos is when the American people have to go through the austerity that is coming if we continue to have $2 trillion annual deficits.
Gaetz used a procedural move to call a historic vote that ended with McCarthy's removal from office.
Speaker of the House of the United States House of Representatives is hereby declared vacant.
A self-described libertarian populist, Gaetz's Florida district is considered one of the most Republican-leaning in the nation. Elon Musk praised him earlier this week. The owner of the social platform X said Gaetz will be, quote, a hammer of justice. But many senators, including Republicans, are already expressing reluctance to confirm him without more information about those allegations.
It's profoundly problematic to have the highest law enforcement position in the United States occupied by someone who has arguably committed significant crimes. And though he has not been charged with a crime, it is important nonetheless for the Senate to consider his conduct from the standpoint of both ethics and legality, whether the conduct was ever formally charged or not.
The U.S. Senate will consider Gaetz's nomination early next year. Katherine Gypson, VOA News, Washington.